All right, come here. Come here. Oh, come here. Sit. Say we just took our ears down. Good girl. After having a couple days of being up. You ready? Lay down. Oh, that's such a smart puppy. See, we know what we're doing. Sit. Good girl. Good girl. Yay. Looky here. Pretty ears. See, they're going to be so pretty. That's a good girl. Go eat your food. Right here. Eat your food. Look at that tail. She's oh so happy. She's oh so happy. I know, see, there's so much air on him now, huh? There's so much air on him. Yummy, yummy, yummy. Mariah, is she a pretty girl? She's a good girl. Wagging that little tail. Wag, wag, wag. Wag, wag, wag. Yes, that's a pretty girl. Waggy, waggy, waggy. Waggy, waggy, waggy. Did you eat it all? You don't need to eat that. You don't need to eat that. Oh, that's good stuff. That's good stuff. Say thanks, Mom. That was good. Yummy, yummy, yummy. Hey, is she a pretty girl? She's such a pretty girl. Good girl. Yes. Good girl.